Alright, so I'm going to show you how to use your value scale template, and I'm going to make you a value scale. This is my 6B pencil, so this is going to be a really dark pencil. It's also, it's about the same as an ebony pencil. And so I'm going to do it really with my dark pencil first. A lot of times I usually start with my lightest pencil first. You know, you're going to have to do 4 value scales on this piece of paper, so just kind of keep that in mind. Okay, alright, so first thing I'm going to do is mark here and here, and then I will make marks at the top here, 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 here. And I'm going to make these marks here. Helps me line it up. Okay. And I will just use the edge of this guy to draw my straight line. And then I'm going to use this one here to draw that straight line. I'll bring it back in here. Okay. Now, if you think that you are capable of freehanding it, you can. Or you can just go here and mark these. Okay, this is going to be 6B, and it's always important that you label whichever one it is here. Alright, with my pen I can go back and go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then when I go to do a value scale, I do these in segments of 3. This will be light pressure. This is going to be medium pressure. And this is going to be my heavy pressure. Okay? Alright, and I'll show you what that means. Okay, now here's the truth. I don't normally use a pencil with this short of a point. I normally will actually use my X-Acto blade and make it longer. If you don't have access to an X-Acto blade and you don't feel comfortable doing this, because most artists actually, drawing artists actually use larger graphite nibs. Oops. Then make sure that you are sharpening your pencil and keeping that point really long. Okay? Alright. So always make sure you have your sharpener. Here it goes. Alright, I'm going to start with my lightest pressure at 1. Now knowing it says light, this is a 6B. This is a dark pencil. So I'm okay if it's not super dark or light. That's as light as this pencil really goes with the lightest pressure. Okay, I'm going to come back to 2 and do the same thing. But 2 is telling me I'm going to crosshatch. So, whoops, just to the point. This is side shading. You want to do it with the side. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing at 3. Once, twice, 3 times. And by doing that, you get a gradual buildup of value. Alright, now I'm going to go to 4. That was light pressure. This is going to be medium pressure. Okay? Then that'll be heavy pressure. Okay. It's going to be the difference. Alright, so I'm going to give it a little bit more pressure so that it gets slightly darker than 3. Go over it. Okay, so it should look like it's getting darker. Same pressure at 4. From 4, I'm going to put into 5. I'm going to be crazy and go on into 6 with 1. Okay, same pressure. So right now those are all 4s. Okay, on 5, this is number 2 at 5. Same pressure, cross hatching. Okay, so 5 is now darker. And then the same thing on 6, 2. And then 3. Okay, so they are slowly getting darker as we go. This is still not as dark as this pencil will go. I'm ready now to give heavy pressure at 7. Once. Oops. Want to avoid getting lines in there if you can. Okay, heavy pressure. Continuing on into 8. And into 9. Okay, so those are 3. These are all 7s right now. So at 8, I'm going to go crosshatch, same pressure. Ooh, there you go. It's starting to get darker. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing at 9. First and second one at 9. And then for the last one, turn it this way and crosshatch for a 3rd time. And now I have a beautiful value scale. Okay, now I'm going to make it look even prettier. Okay, I'm just I'm just taking a little bitty tissue here, and I'm going to slightly rub it, kind of clean it up just a little bit. Now, like, it's coming off, so you don't want to rub it off. It's like this is when I would say I'm kind of petting a mad, angry cat. So when my little kitten is mad, I would kind of do this soft. Okay. And 8 and 9. Okay, now I'm going to take my eraser and clean this up. Because look at the mess I've made. Voila, there's my value scale. Okay, so you're going to do that for all 4 of your pencils.